Hi there, and welcome back to the ESL Chat Center. Today, you'll learn how to board a plane in English through a short and simple conversation. Before the dialogue, we'll look at some important travel words you need to know. Then you'll hear the conversation and get to practice both roles in a role play. Ready to fly? Let's get started. Keywords and phrases. Board. Meaning to get on a plane, train, or bus. Example, we're boarding the plane now. Aboard. Meaning already on the plane, train, or bus. Example, welcome aboard the flight. Boarding pass. Meaning a small paper or digital ticket that shows your seat and flight. You need it to get on the plane. Example, here's my boarding pass. Seat. Meaning the place where you sit on the plane. Example, my seat is 12A. Overhead bin. Meaning the storage above your seat for bags. Example, please put your bag in the overhead bin. Flight. Meaning a plane trip from one place to another. Example, my flight is going to Paris.
Welcome aboard. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Your seat is 12A. That's by the window on the left.
Great. Where can I put my bag?
You can place it in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight.
Round 1. You are the passenger.
Welcome aboard. May I see your boarding pass, please? Thank you. Your seat is 12A. That's by the window on the left. You can place it in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight.
Round 2. You are the flight attendant.
Sure, here it is. Great. Where can I put my bag? Okay, thanks.
Nice work. Now you're ready to board a plane in English like a pro. Repeat the role play again or try it with a friend. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Where would you love to fly? See you in the next video here on the ESL Chat Center.